I have this toothpaste, this Neem toothpaste that was sent to me by the brand M3 Naturals. So thank you for this. I was sent this as a gift to review, and as you can see here, it comes in a pack of three, and this is what the box looks like. And as you can see, everything is displayed here. So there's nothing, that they're hiding. There's nothing that they're trying to keep from you. Everything is on the pack or on the box and on here as well. But you can see here, supports healthy gum, healthy teeth and gum, fresh breath. It has all these fluoride free, gluten free, non GMO, vegan. It has additional natural ingredients to support strong teeth, healthy gums, and fresh breath. And it has a list of things that it has, extracts and some oils that it has on here. And it also includes all these ingredients. So if you want to go and look at all these, see what it has, just for you, for your information, your knowledge, there it is. And see here, it just shows a few things that it has: fluoride free, gluten free, non GMO, vegan, non artificial flavors, cruelty free. So directions, it gives you the directions here. Keep away from children, do not swallow toothpaste, things like that. So definitely, really good brand that they display everything that's on here. And obviously this is toothpaste, right? So not a lot that we can say um, that does anything special. I mean, it's toothpaste. It cleans your teeth. It helps your teeth stay healthy and strong. And I did note it comes sealed, so I did open it a little bit. So that's why it's like this. But I opened it so I can smell it and try it out. And it does have a mint oil blend, so it gives it like a minty flavor. But overall, this is a great toothpaste. And like I mentioned, it comes in a pack of three. So if you're looking for more organic, more natural toothpaste, I definitely recommend looking into this one.